the Naval Ship Repair Yard, Nsry, Karwar, and Naval Aircraft Yard, NAY, Goa, have released a notification inviting applications from ITI qualified Indian citizens, both male and female, for apprenticeship training in various designated trades. This apprenticeship will be governed under the Apprentices Act 1961 and in conjunction with the Apprenticeship Rules 1992. The objective is to provide hands-on experience and vocational training to the eligible candidates. Total vacancies available. Naval Ship Repair Yard, Karwar, Karnataka, 150 vacancies. Naval Aircraft Yard, Goa, Dabalim, 30 vacancies. This gives a total of 180 apprenticeships for the Naval Ship Repair Yard, Nsry, Karwar, and 30 for the Naval Aircraft Yard, NAY, Goa. Eligibility conditions, educational qualification. Candidates must have passed matriculation, 10th standard, with a minimum of 50% marks or an equivalent qualification. Additionally, the candidate must have secured at least 65% marks in the relevant ITI, Industrial Training Institute trade, recognized by either the National Council for Vocational Training, NCVT, or the State Council for Vocational Training, SCVT. Age criteria. The candidate should be at least 14 years of age and should not be older than 21 years as of the 15th of April, 2025. This means the applicant must have been born between the 15th of April 2004 and the 14th of April 2011, both dates included. There is an upper age relaxation of 5 years for candidates belonging to the SC/ST category. Additionally, outstanding candidates may receive a further relaxation of 2 years at the discretion of the Naval Headquarters. Physical standards. Height, minimum of 150 centimeters, 1.5 meters. Weight, minimum of 45 kilograms. Chest expansion, minimum of 5 centimeters. The candidate must meet the necessary medical fitness standards for the designated trades. Previous training conditions. The apprenticeship training is a one-time opportunity for candidates. If a candidate has already undergone or is currently undergoing apprenticeship training under the Apprentices Act 1961, whether in a government, public sector, or private organization, they are not eligible to apply for this opportunity. How to apply? Eligible and interested candidates are required to follow the application procedure outlined below. Online registration. Candidates must register themselves on the official apprenticeship portal, www.apprenticeshipindia.gov.in. Submission of documents. After successful online registration, candidates need to forward their apprentice profile, along with the required supporting documents to the officer in charge, Dockyard Apprentice School, Naval Ship Repair Yard, Naval Base, Karwar, Karnataka, 581-308. The application and all supporting documents must be submitted within 30 days from the date of the advertisement in the employment news. List of required documents. Self-attested copy of matriculation/10 the class mark sheet as proof of educational qualification. Self-attested copies of ITI semester-wise mark sheets and the consolidated final ITI mark sheet. Self-attested copy of the category certificate for candidates belonging to EWS/OBC/SC/ST categories. Self-attested copy of disability certificate. For candidates applying under the PWBD category, persons with benchmark disabilities. Certificate from the competent authority for candidates who are sons, daughters of armed forces personnel or naval defense civilian employees. Certificate of undertaking, stating the candidate's choice of the establishment for apprenticeship, either Naval Ship Repair Yard, Karwar, or Naval Aircraft Yard, Goa. Important instructions. The detailed advertisement regarding this apprenticeship training program is expected to be published in the first-second week of October 2024 in the employment news. Candidates are advised to refer to that advertisement for additional details and instructions. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly hope that you found the content useful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to hit the like button. It really helps us grow and allows us to continue creating helpful content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on future updates. We'd love to hear what you think. Whether you have suggestions, feedback, or questions, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If there's anything you're unsure about or any questions regarding the video, don't hesitate to ask. We're always here to help. Also, don't keep this valuable information to yourself. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from it too. It could be just the help they need. For those interested in staying updated with job notifications, study materials, and important updates, we encourage you to join our Telegram channel. You'll always have the latest resources right at your fingertips. And of course, be sure to follow us on Instagram for additional content, quick tips, and behind-the-scenes updates. You'll find all the relevant links in the comments below. Once again, thank you for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.